Here we are in the Tech Daily studio, about to do another unboxing video. All right, first of all, let's get the messy part out of the way. Let's get rid of this cardboard box. Woo. Yep, an icon has returned. The ATARI 2600 Plus. Just landed this week. Let's check it out. Wow. Okay, so the first thing I need to point out is this is not the actual box that you get. Look at this. Right. It is not the actual box that you get when you buy the ATARI 2600 Plus console. This is clearly a promotional kit, so everything you see here in front of you is what is available, but what doesn't come as standard. What does come as standard, my understanding is you get the 2600 Plus console, you get our single joystick, classic joystick there. You do get the 10 games in one, and that's what comes, I think on Amazon it's $179. What they're giving me here is all the other things that you can get. For example, over here we've got the 4 games in one cartridge. Now it's got Breakout, Canyon Bomber, Night Driver and Video Olympics in it. It also comes with these two paddle controllers. So these paddle controllers you'll need for, you get with the 4 games in one cartridge setup. Then a couple of other things you can also get separately is the Berserk game, just like the original cartridges. And also available is Mr. Run and Jump. Great. Now, what I really love about the ATARI 2600, what I've been really excited about, is the fact that it's not just, another lookalike Atari system where it's got all the games built into it. It actually takes the cartridges, and it takes the original cartridges. So, for example, lately I've been collecting some cartridges. So I've got the original Battlezone. One of my favorites, Moon Patrol. You can't have a 2600 without Space Invaders. And another favorite of mine, Centipede. Now, I've been holding off actually buying an original Atari console for a while because I was always worried that I'd go to load the cartridges in and the system wouldn't work or something. But now I've got a brand new console. It takes the cartridges. So in a minute, I'm just going to plug it in, make sure I can play my original games and, of course, the new games. So, as mentioned, when you buy the Atari 2600, what you do get is the console, the single joystick, and of course the 10 games in one. The 10 games in one: Adventure, Combat, Dodge 'em, Haunted House, Maze Craze, Missile Command. I love Missile Command. Real Sports Volleyball, Surround, Video Pinball, and Yar's Revenge. And it's the way they've done these 10 games in one is you change the dip switches here on the back, and that determines which game you play. And of course, speaking of plugging it into your TV, it's probably worth explaining how that happens. So it does come, first of all, it is actually powered by a USB-C cable. So the console itself just runs off USB-C. And it does actually come with an HDMI cable as well, so that you don't have to go fishing out for taking the one out of your PlayStation or something. So it does come with the HDMI cable for your TV or a computer monitor, and then the USB-C connection, so you can power the console as well. So that's out this week. Amazon still has it, I think, for $179, which is a bit lower than the recommended retail price. I'm going to have some real fun with this. What I actually do love is the fact that we can now take a classic console, and it's got an HDMI output on it, so we can actually play it on our big TV or big newer TVs. Got that lovely wood grain look about it, like the original one. Can't wait to plug it in. The Atari 2600 Plus in stores from this week. As I mentioned, this is kind of the range of what's available. Mr. Run and Jump, Berserk, and the 4-in-1 cartridge with the paddles are all sold separately. Thanks for checking out the unboxing. See you soon.